I'm a guide called Diana.
Good morning, Diana.
Good morning, Diana.
Good morning, big boys and girls.
How are you today?
I'm good. How are you too?
We are fine, thank you. How are you?
Okay, as I have told you, you have come to Murishyo. Where? So this is a cultural village like that helps like younger children like you, younger students to know how like Rwandans could live earlier in the past before the technology. Sure? Yeah. So in your homes do you have gate?
Yes.
You have gate?
Yes.
This gate, right? So is this gate looking the same as yours?
No.
Yeah, so this
That's a gate. That's a gate.
It's made of
the
what?
modern gate.
Metal.
This is made of metal, right?
Yes.
It's a modern gate, right? But this one is a traditional what? It's a traditional gate. It's made of what?
Wood.
Woods. Sure? Yes. So that's why you pass through the traditional gate made of woods, right? So I have seen here these ones. They're called imyugariro. What?
Imyugariro.
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 What?
Imyugariro.
Imyugariro. It means in Nyarwanda they were these woods as you're seeing there. So they were used like a gate. By the time you are like a girl or a boy coming outside of the home and you find that they have crossed there, it means that you wouldn't enter, right? So it would encourage like girls, boys, and children at home to come earlier. So what the time do you always go home like at night, or you have to visit your friend and then you go back home earlier, right?
Yes.
Sure?
Yes.
Are we together?
Yes.
So this means that when you are like your children, you had to go back home earlier, so that by the time your parents, mom or dad enters, they will close, right?
Okay. Grandparent. What is that grandparent?
Abana. So many years ago, they did not used to have mattresses. They used only this, banana leaves. They used to sleep. These would work as the mattresses. Yes, the banana dead leaves. And then they would cover it with the. These would be like bed sheets, but they are not bed sheets, of course. So this mat would serve as the bed sheet. Then they would cover themselves during the sleeping with this mat again.
What about the bed?
This is a bed now.
How come? What about the pillow?
No pillow. But the pillow, by the way, I wish they could.
But some old people, they don't like
You see,
pillows.
the banana dead leaves would serve as a pillow also.
Just for the banana.
How does it feel? Good. Maya, how does it feel?
Let's see.
It
It feels? It feels hard? It's good? Soft? Wow.
Okay, the cover, put the cover. Don't. You know, when it's spell.
When you're sleeping, the pillow is
Okay, good night. Mama and Dad, what is this? Urujagenda kare. Let me show you. Baramuteruraga bakamushyiramo indani akajya gukuramo ibishyimbo. Okay, come.
Ingoko.
Ingoko.
What?
Ingoko.
I want all of you to say.
Ingoko.
One is called. Do you have some spoons, big spoons at home?
Yes.
Like, so for you, it's made of what? Metal. Yes. So this one is made of wood. It's made of wood. It's called indosho. Indosho. Okay, we move on. Who knows this? Do you know this? This one is called imamba. Imamba. Repeat. I want you, all of you, to speak. What? Imamba.
Nkuko nababwiye kera umuturage wa kera atarabona iterambere tekinoloji ngo yenda akora ibintu mu byuma cyangwa akora ibintu muri plastic kuko nta byahaba. Nkuko nabibabwiye Imana yari yararemye abantu ibashyira muri nature, harimo ibiti, harimo amazi, harimo inyoni, harimo amabuye, harimo ibitaka, ariko nta byuma byari byatangiye kuboneka. Sibyo? Mwabyumvishije? Kugira ngo icyuma kiboneke haba habaye iki? Before. Okay.
Kana kamama ntugire ngo ndakwangaye nzaguhe inkuru gambaro umaze kurema mpore warahaye mpore warahaye nzaguhe inkuru gambaro umaze kurema
Pourquoi la farine dans son corps pour faire la bouillie? Parce qu'on prend la farine et puis on mélange avec l'eau. Alors tu connaissais que la farine dans son corps, il y a la farine de bouillie, on allait en alimentation acheter, c'est bon? Mais bien avant, on utilise pour avoir la farine, c'est les pierres. Et c'est les mamans fait. Les mamans vont les faire pour avoir la farine de sorgho. Tu vois les mamans? Ce qu'ils font? Tu vois? Ça la farine. La bouillie. C'est pourquoi après on mélange avec de l'eau. Tu comprends? La farine et avec de l'eau. Yes, water. Oui. Ok. C'est le sorgho.
No, wait.
Who like? Repeat. Uruhimbi. So, what have you seen here? You seen that this place we use it from what? To pick milk. Okay. Clap hands up there. It's simple for simple. Clapping. To pick water. No. It's a place where we keep milk, right?
Yes, because I know it.
You sing cow.
Cow.
Yeah.
A big cow.
A big cow.
And there is
Have you seen a cow?
Yeah, we have
Yeah, which has
milk.
milk.
And there's these ones that we eat.
Yes, we have them there. So those ones. You want to take milk in? Okay, after. If I ask you a question and then you answer, I will let you know.
And the losers get milk in there and then it's not everywhere.
Okay.
The losers get milk on the eye now.
And then we
No, they want to answer questions. Ronels.
Okay, those ones are called ingongoro. Ingongoro. Let me show you
Ivy,
the
give space.
ingongoro.
Okay.
Give
Let me
space so
show
she's
you.
Okay,
smiling.
show us.
Are you the teacher?
These ones are called what? Repeat. Let my boy say it when he is alone. Okay, bravo. Ingongoro. So what is the use of ingongoro? Who can guess?
It is. They put milk in.
Okay. Bravo.
Ring like this.
Okay, water in.
Or we can put
You can
Even juice.
No. So who attended the wedding and then see this in the wedding? You saw? Okay.
me too.
You too? In Uganda? Sure.
I saw it in Rwanda.
In Rwanda.
I live in Rwanda.
So this one it used to like younger persons to drink milk, right?
Did you got that?
Are you hearing me?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to see milk. And also these ones they are called byinshi. They used to drink even milk, right? Repeat.
I want to see.
No, repeat what I'm saying. Byinshi. Byinshi. So byinshi they used to keep milk.
Milk and
Also like by the time you from catering you pour their milk, right? Do you know this one? Who know this one? This one is called igisabo. Amashiga. Bayakoresha iki? Guteka.
Byose ibishyimbo ya munsi.
Ari gukora iki? Ari kotsa runonko kinyarwanda. Kamuya. Kamuya. Mu kinyarwanda ari gukora iki? Ari kotsa runonko. Runo? Musubiremo. Runonko. Subiramo. Runonko. 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 Unagenda subiramo umwe n'ubwo kabivuganye kuri.
Thank you.
Aha, ababishoboye mugerageze